In addition to power settings like turning off the screen, sleep mode, and hibernation, Windows also allows you to set a shutdown timer for your computer or laptop. How to set a shutdown timer? Press Win+R on your keyboard. For convenience, I've saved several commands in a text file so you can simply copy and paste them into this window. I recommend saving these commands to your disk, they may come in handy in the future. Here are a few examples. To turn off after 1 hour, enter 3600 seconds in the command. For shutdown in 30 minutes, enter 1800 seconds. And for shutdown in 8 hours, enter 28,800 seconds. In the Run window, enter the shutdown command, and specify the time in seconds. Press Enter, or click OK. You'll see a notification on the right confirming that your computer shutdown has been scheduled. How to cancel the timer? If you change your mind, you can easily cancel the scheduled shutdown. Right-click the Start button, and select Run. Then type the following command, shutdown, /A. This command cancels the system shutdown. Press Enter, or OK. And you'll immediately see a notification that the shutdown has been cancelled. I hope you found this short video helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tips. Good luck!